guys, it's a Sc10 RS. Here's the stock body. I drilled out some holes in the back and in the windows to try to eliminate parachute effect. Here's a stock ESC. It's a Sc700 BL. It's pretty nice. I like it. With the stock setup, with the stock pinion gear, it would get really hot. So you're gonna want to down gear the pinion gear once you first get it. It comes with a 3300 kV, but right now I have a 5700 kV. It's a Maba. The things that will break pretty much right away when you buy this is the differential always breaks. So I have that's upgraded. I have a ball bearing differential. It comes with a gear differential. The servo stripped. I'm running a HPI servo right now until I get a high tech. That's about it that will break though. It's a pretty durable truck besides those parts. Stock tires comes with J Concepts subcultures. I really like them. They work good on everything, except if you run them on the street they'll burn out or they get loose tread. The front tires are just some associated tires. It's completely waterproof. It's got the waterproof box. I'm running a Spectrum 300, Spectrum DX3S. It's a pretty nice controller. I'm running a TrueRC 5000 milliamp hard packs, and that's about it. Team Swag. I'm also sponsored by TrueRC and RC Hobby and Track.